Hi, my name is Samantha. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. I wanted to give you guys a new intro, seeing as how this is my 600th video in 4 years. Thank you so much to everyone who has been there for me from the beginning, in the middle, towards the end. I am so grateful for everyone who's been at every part of this journey. Thank you so much for believing in me. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Samantha and I make sewing content, whether that's tutorials where I also try to make digital patterns and sell those in my Etsy shop. I also do craft shows where I'll go and I will sell my jar openers, reusable towels, tissue pouches, and other products. I've shown you how to make pretty much every product that I sell. So I'll have all those tutorials linked in my channel. There's a playlist called sewing tutorials. And then I also have my products in store at the King Street Experience in Leesburg, Virginia. That is a wonderful store that opened in 2025, run by my wonderful mother. So I love that store so much, so proud of her, beyond proud of her. And then also I sell my products online on Etsy. So if you are interested in any of that kind of content, please hit that subscribe button. I am currently living in Pennsylvania. I'm a born and raised Virginian. So if you have any Virginia or Pennsylvania craft shows or thrift shops or quilting shops or sewing shops that you'd like me to check out, put those in the comment section down below, please. I love doing craft hauls. I love going to the thrift store and trying to find some fabric. It's so much fun that you have to go a couple times before you find anything. And then when you do find something, it's like hitting the jackpot. I absolutely love that. I definitely have more fabric than I will ever go through in my life. This is not all my fabric. I have more fabric elsewhere from the hauls that I've given you guys this year. I still need to serge and pre-wash them and get them put on the comic book boards. I do have a video of how I put all of these guys on the comic book boards. I am a self-taught sewist. I started my craft hobby with paper crafting. I had worked at a store called Paper Source, and that's where I learned how to make handmade greeting cards, and that's how I started my business with Tansley Paper Co. Started with handmade greeting cards, and I would get so many comments about how much people loved them and how much people wanted to buy them, but they did not sell, and it was very hard to scale. And that is also a reason why I went digital, is I would like to scale and to become an online Etsy shop, and with the YouTube tutorials going hand in hand. But I started with the paper crafts, and then in 2020 I started sewing masks, and I bought my wonderful sewing machine. I've done so many videos with this guy, my Brother SE600, highly recommend. And I was able to pay off my sewing machine, which also does embroidery. I do my own merch. With face masks in 2020. And after that, I taught myself how to make all sorts of other products. And then through trial and error, I have found the products that I can make the best and sell the best at craft shows. So if you're interested in any content like that, please hit the subscribe button. Yeah, so anyways, that is everything about me. Please put in the comment section down below where you are watching this video from. Thank you so much for believing in me. Thank you so much for coming along on this journey, and I will see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.